Nujor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka ba Duna tam, but she's pa percent ka jinyo kam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Ka ICA ka pinkre ya ka laway jongpi. Nakabinta ka tuition but coaching ka ba bhatam yapi. Yes no but ka ICA.
Kiwei MCA Jylla City, Limbaga Jinkarshan ka Office of Deputy Commissioner, West Jante Hills District, Haka South Rik Julio Arazar Postan, Kalaya Jimpin Shai. Kumno banyada nega jingpang kabakta eka jumut jing perkhat nega mental health, but kumno banyada nega jingyap jong gitu ke basyakta nega nega jingpang kabla banlam wat hadu uput bagi dikhat no yega jing imla jong klempat depor. Yaga nega jing ai jingpin Shai la penlong ha District Library Jylla. Kabale shimbenta dagi kena school negi school per ka sor Jylla kumjuru kinohikai. Ka District School Education Officer ka West Jante Hills kong AP's aim kabala ajing kran hagadi si kum ka kongsan klapen pau ko jing sngongu yu blay bawat lagi don gi suicide case lani gi jing penyap hi jong ki brio dala de yala de hakikat tu kat ni gi benta jong ga Jylla bar ka district Henry haban Nujor part bar Kiwei ki Jylla ka Meghalaya kadang Duna bha yakini gi jingja. Nalor ka kongsan la ajing kran ru da ka DSWO ka West Jante Hills ka kong Y Nujor. No President Jongga Jylla City YMCA ba John R. Shulai, but Original Secretary ka YMCA NER ba Shamir J. Thaba, karbau ba Iwanmi O. Majau, but Dr. E. Dan, kilong kiru Shampang ban ajingkran haganigasngi. Haganigasngi la samru yaki kusnam siya kena school kibla job hagajing kopdro.
What I am today. So sometimes we are into that kind of a stigma. And moreover, unemployment is one of the issues, and I think the government should take note of this. And poverty, social disadvantage, drugs, domestic violence, physical injuries, and many more. You have plenty of them to name them. So it is our concern that we have to look into them one by one and try to bring in practical issues that can help us to overcome our mental health. These narrations underline that mental health challenges are not new, and even those who are close to God, those who are religious, you can say, even they have such narrations of discomfort in their personal life. But this does not mean that we are defeated. I want to say it again. We are not defeated. Shall we say yes? Yes, we are not defeated. You know, the problems why we are defeated because we give in to that situations. The problem that we are defeated because we think that we can no longer proceed. The problem that we get defeated is because like we say that that's the end of my life. You know, and we start to have a negative thinking. So we have to come out of that. So timely attentions and practical guidance can reduce the impact of overwhelming depressions.
Now, mental health is a vast topic. Mental health is not like a common disease where we can detect and diagnose. Because mental health, we have to look for the symptoms, the very indefinite symptoms where a person shows slowly. For example, Samir had mentioned depression, anxiety, isolation, fear. These are the small symptoms that we find in mental health that cannot be detected very quickly. And many a times as people, as students also especially, because this is your program, so as students also we find that we go through, I know as students you go through a period where there is a peer pressure and you feel uncomfortable, you feel looked down, you lose that self-confidence. So that slowly affects your brain and your nervous system. And eventually that will lead to depression, that will lead to anxiety. So these are the things that are included in mental health issues. And we find that in today's world, many of us, be it the young people, be it the elder people, we all have some kind of depression or the other, even though we do not recognize it. So as students also, you do have, I know that you do have some kind of depression, some kind of anxiety, especially as I've said earlier, exam stress.